What you trying to get crazy with this, eh? Don't you know I'm loco?
Stop blinking, I'm thinking it's all over when I go out drinking. Oh, making my mind slow. That's why I don't fuck with the big 4-0, bro. I got to maintain, cause a nigga like me is going insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane.
Undercover, now it's time for the blubber. Blabber, to watch that belly get fat. A fat boy on a diet. Don't try it. I jack your ass like a looter in a riot. My shit's fat like a sumo, slamming that ass, leaving your face in the grass. You know, I don't take a dulo lightly. Punk just jealous cause you can't outright. Yo, kick that style. Wicked, wow. Happy face nigga, never seen me smile. Rip that mainframe, I'll explain. A nigga like me is going insane.
Insane in the membrane. Like Louis Armstrong, play the trumpet, I'll hit that bong and break y'all something soon. I got to get my props, cops come and try to snatch my crops. These pigs wanna blow my house down, head underground to the next town. They get mad when they come to raid my pad and I'm out in the night too scared. Yes, I'm the pirate, pilot of this ship. If I dip with the ultraviolet dream, hide from the red light beam. Now do you believe in the unseen? Look, but don't make your eyes strain. A nigga like me is going insane.